this is the second part for the lessons, which is Hess law. So the steps are, if you have the flip equation, side flip as well. If you multiply by coefficient just to make sure that the number of moles balance out, you have to multiply that coefficient by the entropy of each equations. Then you combine the equations, and then you also do combine the math to get the final entropy values. So let's look at example 1. Your work, you might be able to given multiple equations. These are the easy ones that you only have 2. If you have more than one chemical reactions equations, applies the same thing. The rule also apply. So first, you see, we need to flip any equations or multiply by any coefficient. So now let's look at these 2 values. Both of them are releases the heat. Released heat. This is the amount of that one. So look at what do we need. This is like I'm just gonna say this is what we wanted. PCl3 liquid form has to be on the left. So this one is on the right. So I'm just gonna say equation 1. I need to flip. And also look at something else that is given. So if you flip this one, the side flip, and look at what else do we need. We only need 1 more of each. So let's first start by flipping and look at this one. This is the only one we have, so we must divide this one by 2. Flip and multiply by 1/2. So it will be PCl3. If we flipped, it will be P solid form. Okay, now you flip and divide by 1/2, and that should give me, so I'm just gonna do this one, 450 multiplied by 1/2, and I flip, so that should give me positive values 320 kilojoules for these chemical reactions. So I look at number 2. So it is there. We want it on the right hand side. We want the PCl5 solid in the product, so we keep it the same, so we don't flip. So equation 2, no flip, but still multiply by 1/2 because we need to get rid of that 2 mole. So that would be PS plus 52 chlorine 2 gas equal to PCl5, which is solid. And the math, it will be this multiplied by 1/2, and that should give me 443 kilojoules. These are the 2 different values that we have. So now we want to see if we're getting the right values. So let's do the math. We combine this one. This one. Oh, if it is on the right hand side, if it is on the left and the right, we can basically cancel them out. So what we have left is PCl3 plus. So so we have fractions. So right here. So we do it on the side. So if 52 minus 32, that's basically give me 2 divided by 2 fractions. So 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Since on the left hand side we have more, that's why the answer has to be on the left hand side. So basically we cancel that one out. So we have PCl5 solid. So rewrite them again, plus Cl2 PCl5 solid. So these are the equation that we're looking for. So now that we follow the combined equation, we combine the equations. So now we also have to combine the math. So when you combine these two chemical reactions that has different values, so it would be 320 minus 443, and that should give me about 1 to 3 kilojoules. This is what you have to do. So in order for you to get the full credit, I need you to show all of the work like what I did. All works must be shown, unless otherwise the credit is not given.